These illegal crime hubs, they're like call centers,
Yes.
right? I saw that they have even of course it's written in Chinese, but there's a script,
Yes.
right? You pretend to be somebody else. Can you just very quickly walk us through that? What is it they do? How do they make money?
There are several clusters within APOGO. No, so, doon muna tayo sa script na sinasabi mo.
Okay.
Obviously, there is a very good social engineer or HR or psychologist.
Talaga, social engineering talaga.
Magaling talaga. Kasi kung titingnan mo, yung script napakaganda. The one that we saw in Sun Valley, in Clark, my God, yun yung unang beses nakita namin ni Yusek Gilbert at saka ni Director Winnie at saka yung mga kasama namin sa PAOK. Nung nakita namin, sabi, oh my God, mapapapaniwala ka. No matter how many PhDs you may have gotten your PhDs from Harvard or wherever, no? Mapapapaniwala ka, they're that good. Now, how do they do it? They've got one group, basically, who looks for the profiles of people who are ripe
Vulnerable.
for the picking.
Ripe for the
Vulnerable. Ripe for the picking. Nung operation sa Sun Valley, yung tinulungan namin yung ACG, tapos yung inoperate namin, minanage namin SKK, Nasdaq, and Bamban, nakita namin may profile eh.
Okay.
35, older, lonely white men, emotionally vulnerable.
May mga ganon.
Yes, and most importantly, John, financially independent/capable. So, yun yung profile na hinahanap nila sa social media.
And then what? They ask them to invest or
Yes.
to play a game? What?
Yes. So, yun yung una, di ba? So, merong profiling. So, pag nahanap na yung profiling, another group
Takes over.
takes over. So, yun yung parang mga pabebe na mga group ang tawag ko doon.
Okay.
Sila na yung ipapaibigin ka.
Ito yung mga love scam.
Yes. Kung love scam ito, they'll make you fall for the con.
Okay.
How? They'll show you videos, photos, stock photos. Videos that they prepared way before. Na kesyo kumakain sila dito o darling, have you eaten your lunch? I'm here in say X hotel. I'm having my lunch. And look at my lunch, oh. Pero prepared lahat 'yon.
Oh, okay.
Scripted and all. So yung tao, the rich white guy at the other end of the conversation would fall for it kasi araw-araw may padalang sweet nothings, parang may proof of life. Buhay yung tao eh. So mapapapaniwala niya. Then, next, the hard sell.
Okay.
So yung hard sell na, darling, I've invested this amount in this particular platform. Diba? So, in this particular platform, I earned this much. You've fallen for the girl already. Or in some instances, you've fallen for the guy already. So, you've swallowed everything hook, line, and sinker. Then they ask you to invest.
The investment is through crypto?
Crypto.